Hi everyone, this is Vaishnavi Buddhireddy. Today let's discuss about one of the subject in ECE, that is communication systems. Okay, so basically this communication systems is also known as analog and digital communications. Okay, so the main agenda of this subject is to give you the clear idea about what basically communication is. Before learning what communication basically what communication means, um, let's go into the block diagram given over here. This basically it has 6 blocks. Okay, this block diagram gives the idea that basically what communication means. Okay, I'll give you the idea. So here in this block diagram we have 6 blocks, that is source of information, next is input transducer, next is transmitter, next is channel, next is receiver, and the 6th block is destination. So basically looking into this block diagram, see this block diagram, here I have given you a statement that this block diagram gives you the clarity what basically communication is. As we have discussed, the blocks means how many blocks are there in this diagram. As per the block diagram, I am giving you the communication as I am deriving or defining the communication as communication is nothing but the transferring of messages uh, from source to destination. Okay, so basically again look into this block diagram. I have given you that this transferring of information or messages, information or messages is nothing but the signals. Okay, signals or information from source to destination is nothing but the communication. In let's look into this block diagram. Here we have source and we have destination, basically transferring of a signal from source to destination. Here to here is known as the communication. So for transferring of information from source to destination, we are undergoing with different types of different types not types basically, it is different types of processes to get the clear voice from the destination. Because from the source, basically from source we will get the information which is mixed with some unwanted noises. Okay, so just to clear that unwanted noises and get the clear message or information to us from source, we are undergoing to different types of processes. That is, next we have source of information. That means basically here we get the original information which is mixed with unwanted noises. Okay, unwanted, I'll give you the notes clearly again. Just I am explaining this just first clear listen it clearly. Okay, so here in the source we have original information with unwanted noises. Just to remove this mixed unwanted noises, we are undergoing to through this different processes. Okay, input transducer, this is the thing, like this is the one source, nothing but which transfers the, here we have non-electrical energy. Okay, this is non-electrical energy, electrical energy. This transferring of this non-electrical energy into, here we have electrical conversion. Okay, the basic work of the transducer is to convert this non-electrical energy from the source to electrical energy. Okay, and coming to source back again, we get the information from different types of sources. Let's take our speech and TV, radio, next music. Okay, these are the sources of information. Next, transducer is the thing like which converts the non-electrical energy to the electrical energy. Next, transmitter. What is transmitter? Is just give me a second. What is transmitter is this transmitter, the main work of the transmitter is to process the electrical energy, which obtained in this from this input transducer. So transmitter basic works of basic functions of, I'll give you the notes clearly, just listen it. Functions of this transducer is, first is amplification of the signal, and next modulation, next is frequency restriction. Okay, frequency restriction, these are the three main functions of the transmitter. Next, we have channel. Basically, what is channel is the I'll give you the idea about the channel. It is the physical source from which the signal is propagated. Okay, physical medium. Channel is the physical medium. It is the physical medium which transfers or which propagates the signal or the message. Next, we have types of channels are so let's say types of channels are next, first one is point to point channel, point to point channel. Next is broadcast channel. Here in point to point channel, here in point to point channel, let's discuss about point to point channel. We have one transmitter and the one receiver. See, this is the receiver. Okay, examples of point to point transmitter is wireline. Next, microwave line. And the other is optical fiber. Next, we have broadcast channel. Okay, broadcast channel. Here we have one transmitter and different types of different receivers, receiver 1, receiver 2, receiver 3. One transmitter and more receivers is known as broadcast channel. Okay, so basically these are receiving stations. Okay, so here basically noise has more impact. So here in this channel, this noise is interacted or interfered with the original message. Let's look into this. Receiver is, here we modulated the signal at transmitter, modulated or amplified or next what we done is frequency modified. Okay, frequency modified, right? Here at the receiver we will be demodulating the signal. Okay, that means demodulation of signal. That means we will get the original signal without voice. Here receiver destination, we get the original voice here. Okay, this is what basically we have. Thank you for today's video.